your hands. I like shoot, I will shoot. Jingle bell, all the way. We'll hop off our jingle bell, say, hey. Jingle bell, all the way. We'll hop off our jingle bell, say, hey. I love you.
Good morning, guys. Today is December 4 and it's Jan's birthday. Whose birthday today, Holly? Whose birthday?
Dad's.
And?
Dad's balloons.
Ang sinasabi niya, wala raw na balloons ang daddy niya. Hindi naman kailangan ng balloons ni daddy. Kagabi, ano pala ako, di ba nabanggitin, gumawa kami ng leche flan ng mga bata. Kasi ito yung... Yeah, ito yung request ni Jan na cake niya. Instead of cake, leche flan. Okay, ipakita natin sa people. Wait, Baba, you don't. Ito naman kasi baka tusukin niya eh. Excuse me, Baba.
About to kiss.
Okay, about to kiss. Ayan yung leche flan natin. Wow.
Awesome.
Oh, what?
It's awesome. This is awesome.
Awesome. Awesome daw, guys, yung leche flan.
Hello.
And today, ang lulutuin ko is, di ba kagahapon, bumili tayo ng pork mince? Kasi nga, di ba sabi ko, invite namin si mom and dad. Tapos si mom kasi hindi kumakain ng hindi kumakain ng beef. Iyon pala sila, mom and dad, wala dito. Nasa Adelaide sila nung Monday, pero sabi ni Jan. So, pinalitan ko. Linagay ko sa freezer yung, yung pork. Kasi meron naman akong beef na ground beef. So, yun ang linabas ko. Eto. Linabas ko na yung ground beef or mince. Eto, oh. So, eto na lang ang gamitin natin. Tapos, hotdog na Filipino hotdog. So, yan yung gagawin natin. And, meron pa pala. Ilabas ko na rin yung mag-roast lamb.
What is that?
Ito ang handa ni Jan. Roast lamb. And spaghetti. And leche flan. And fruit salad. Yun, request niya rin yung fruit salad. So, gawin ko muna to. Kasi anong oras na? 11:30. And yung birthday boy nag-golf. Hindi siya nag-work today kasi sobrang, masama pa rin yung panan. So, 3 days na ata siya hindi nag-work kasi nga sobrang lakas ng hangin dito. Baba, careful. Okay, gawin na natin to. Pinapainit ko na yung oven. And yung roast lamb, hindi ko pa na seasoning. And yung partner pala ng roast lamb natin ay roast mixed vegetables. Pero bago ko hiwa yung mga vegetables, gawin ko muna to kasi baka abutan na ako ni Jan. Alas 12 na, 12:15 na. Umalis si Jan mga 9 o'clock. So gusto ko muna ilagay dito yung mga nabili kong mga damit. Alam nyo bang hirap si Jan regaluhan every year? Tuwing magbe-birthday siya. Nakita nyo na to. Tuwing magbe-birthday siya or anniversary namin. Kasi si Jan, hindi siya mahilig sa mga accessories like relo, wala. May rinigalo ko dyan na relo dati, hindi niya ginamit. So, after 1 year na naka-stock lang dyan, pinadala ko sa Philippines nung nagbalik bayang box ako. So, yun ang binigay ko sa kanya. And every year, eto lagi ang regalo ko sa kanya. Damit o kaya perfume. Every year. So, parang hindi na exciting yung kay Jan. And then, last time, nung pumunta kami ng Victoria Market, may nakita kong pang-massage, yung parang rinurol. Ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Yun ang rinigalo kay Jan last nung, matagal na. And hindi ko na inulit kasi tawang-tawa siya sa regalo ko. Sabi niya, wala ka na talagang naisip. Golf stick. Kung golf naman, di ba may si Jan sa golf? Kung golf naman yung iririgalo ko sa kanya, wala naman akong maisip na kailangan niya pa. Kasi binibili niya na sa sarili niya. So, wala talagang maisip na pang-regalo sa kanya. So, buti na lang this year, meron ako sa kanyang regalo. Ito ay magiging memorable sa kanya kasi binilhan ko siya ng ticket. Ako magbabayad ng ticket niya. Saka, accommodation niya sa, opening ng golf. And si Tiger Woods ay pupunta. Si Tiger Woods yung kanyang idol sa pag-golf. So, yun ang regalo natin sa kanya. Buti na lang pumunta dito si Tiger Woods. Kung hindi talaga, eto lang, literal, eto lang yung regalo ko sa kanya. Damit ulit. Kasi kabibili ko lang ng perfume sa kanya nung last month or 2 months ago. So, hindi pwedeng perfume ang iregalo ko sa kanya. Kaya, ngayon, damit and ticket na manood siya ng golf sa Melbourne. Sa next week na yun, next weekend. Etong weekend, punta kami ng Adelaide para sa Christmas party namin, di ba, ng mga Inday. And then, after that, next weekend, next weekend, punta naman siya ng Melbourne. Kasama yung mga kaibigan niya. Para manood ng, golf. Last time, napanood niya na rin si Tiger Woods. 9 years ago, 10 years ago, pumunta rin siya ng Melbourne. So, eto na yung next. So, diba, after 9 years or 10 years, mapapanood niya ulit si, yung idol niya sa pag-golf. Masaya ako. Excited ako para sa kanya. Sabi ko, pag nakita niya or malapit sa kanya, picturean niya o kaya mag-video kahit konti lang. Ewan ko kung gagawin niya. So, yun ang ating regalo kay Jan. So, ito pala yung card na ibibigay ko kay Jan. Happy birthday, husband. You've got looks, you've got charm, you've got talent, and you've got something no one else has. So, yan ang nakalagay dito. Wait, Baba. Me, lots of love. So, susulatan ko ito mamaya. Okay, okay. Look, Baba. Itago muna natin to. Kasi ito ang ating ibibigay mamaya. Okay, Baba, mag-cut na tayo ng vegetables. Okay? Yung potatoes. Walang sweet potatoes, nakalimutan ko. Pero hindi naman, okay lang naman. Kahit wala yun. So, ito yung ating... So, wala kaming bisita, guys. Kami lang talagang 5. Kami lang 5. Walang, oops. Kasi yung kapatid niya may trabaho, si Mel. Oops. And then, kagagaling lang din ng kapatid niya, si Mel, dito nung isang araw. Nung weekends. Weekend ba? Basta galing din dito si Mel. And where's my, Baba, where are you? Baka pinapakialaman niya na yun. Ha? Don't touch my gift for your dad, ha? Where are you? Come here. Turn off the TV here, then. Where's your apron, Baba?
This one apron?
Yeah, yours. Okay.
Is this my apron?
Gusto niya raw tumulong.
My apron.
Come on.
Hey, Mom.
Maybe
No. Mom, don't put my hat. Mom, don't put my hat now.
No, you don't have to put your hat now, Baba. We're not in Chona's kitchen.
Here.
We're in Chona and my...
Chona in my kitchen.
No, Chona and my...
Right.
No, Chona and my... Chona and my... Kids.
Chona in my kids.
Nakaka-confuse na siya sa dalawa kong channel.
Have it?
Okay, wait, Baba. Mamaya ko na ito hugasan after ko silang
And the cat.
chop. Huh?
Mom, you help me with the cat.
No, you're not allowed to cut, Baba. All you have to do is to put the vegetable in the bowl, okay? Diba? And you have to wait, okay? Wait. Okay. Good girl.
I'm not play that. The bowl.
Ano na guys? 1:20 na. Sandali lang nga. Gawa muna tayo ng pang-rub sa ating roast lamb. Para mailagay ko... sorry. Para mailagay ko muna siya sa oven. Wait, okay. Put that one, Baba. Kuha muna ako na lagay natin sa roast lamb. Pang-rub. Careful, ha? Gawa muna ako ng ipang-rarab sa ating roast lamb and
I'm not putting it.
pan-seasoning dito
I'm not
sa...
putting it, Mom.
Wait, Baba. Roast vegetables. Wait, I need to get a spoon, Baba.
Spoon? No, put my spoon.
No, not yours. Okay, one. No, you have to do this. Like this.
Okay.
Like that. Okay, just one. Okay. Okay, put it all. Okay, that's it. That's it. No, because we have more to put. Okay.
I'm gonna have two.
You have to listen to mommy, okay? Okay. That one. Okay, one. Oh, full, Baba, full. Right here. And okay, that's it. Only one. Thank you. Salt and pepper. Alright. Okay, you have to mix carefully. Okay.
Yes, Mommy. You have to
What?
do that
Okay. So, naglagay lang ako mga iba-ibang herbs. Tapos, olive oil. Yep. Tingnan nyo yung... Wala na akong mapaglagyan. Siguro bibili ulit ako ng mga ganito para sa... Kasi mas mura na pag bumili kayo ng nasa... Ganito ba? Nasa sachet. Kaysa dito. Meron na kasi ako ganito. Yung iba, nalagyan ko na. May mga bago akong mga herbs na walang lalagyan. Okay, don't do that, Baba. Don't. Okay, I'll do that, Baba. You should just mix like this. I'm gonna get a little bit of sugar, Papa. Alam nyo, ang lamb, kahit wala na siyang seasoning, ay, little bit only, little bit. Just a little bit, Papa. Sobrang sarap niya na. As in, sobrang malinam na. Tapos, lagyan nyo pa ng pang-rub. Ay, mas lalong sasarap. Careful, Baba, ha? Because that's olive oil, okay? Careful. Slowly, 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 slowly. Siyempre, magta-try din siya. Okay? Lasa, sarap. Wait, Baba. Naglagay na ako. Konting-konting sugar lang. Konting-konting. Pang-balance lang siya sa mga nilagay natin na mga dry herbs. Ooh, yummy!
Mommy.
Okay, wait, Baba.
Mom.
I need more oil. Kasi para sa vegetables din. Wait lang, ha? Excuse me, Baba. That's enough. Okay.
Try it.
Okay, hold. Kunin ko yung... Wait nga ni Baba. I will get the aluminum foil first. Wait. Okay, that's enough.
Just one more.
Ay, si one more. Mahilig kang Kung may mga taong tumatawad, ikaw din. Oh, Baba, see? Nag-spill na yung Careful, ha? Careful. 1, 2, 3!
Are you cooking up?
I am strong. I am strong. Ayan, kalat na yung oil. And, ay! May nakalimutan pa ako. Alis ka muna.
Bong!
Sorry! Nakalimutan ko yung oven bag. Ah, sorry, Baba. You're right? You're right? Naipit siya, right? Let me see. Are you sure? Sorry. That's why you don't put your fingers there, Baba. Okay? Eto ba? Ilalagay natin. Ay, hala, wala nang laman. Alis nga muna, Baba.
Mama, snack.
Maybe you... The one... Hala, wala na. Pupunta tayo nito sa shop. Hala. Ay. Kailangan natin pumunta ng shop, Holly. Punta muna ako ng shop, guys. Kasi wala na akong oven bag. Okay, come on. Bye na kami, guys. Hindi ko lang yung sinama kasi dyan lang naman malapit. And ito yung oven bags. Ayan. And may letters tayo.
What's this?
Ito lang ibibigay niya sa daddy niya. Ito yung ginawa niya sa...
No, that's not Dad's. That's Kuya's.
This is for Kuya TJ? Oh, where's for daddy? You said you're gonna give one for daddy.
Wait, this is Dad's.
Which one?
This.
This one? Or this one? Dalawa kasi ito. Ito yung ginawa niya sa Cotton On nung nag-shopping kami. And mayroon akong dumating na package. Mabigat sila. Yung in-order ko yun. Ipasok ko na rin dito. Wait lang, baba slowly ha. Ito, meron tayong package. I-unbox ko to siguro next time na lang kasi
I wanna buy it.
meron pa akong ibang i-unbox din. In-order ko to eh. Isang
Ha. What are you?
dalawa. Mabilis yung shipping niya.
Make your house.
Last week ko yata ito in-order. Tapos nandito na agad-agad. Oh. Ayan, may dala tayong box. I-unbox natin to next time. Okay? Ilagay muna natin dito.
Who's that?
Alright, let's do this.
Now, stick this.
Huh?
Stick that. Up
We're
this.
gonna put this away
No.
first.
No. Stick this.
Huh?
Stick this out in the fridge.
Huh?
It's not fine anymore. It's not fine.
It's not what?
It's not fine anymore.
What do you mean?
It's not fine.
I don't understand. May sarili
It's
siyang
fine.
bright.
No, it's not fine.
What?
Put this in the fridge.
Why you want me to put that in the fridge?
Because.
Why? You're gonna give it to daddy.
No, it's not. It's not. It's not. It's not fine now.
Huh?
It's not fine.
It's not dad.
No, it's not
Hindi
fine.
ko siya mind. Alright, I'll put it here. Ilagay ko
No,
naman.
not at the top. I can't wait.
Okay, here.
Yes.
What's your manners? Thanks, di ba? Inutusan tayo ng bata. So, unahin ko yung roast. Iro-roast natin na
Mom,
lamb.
how about these ones?
What's that? Okay, put it there.
Mom,
Ah,
that.
and but dito ko pala yan
I'm gonna
ilalagay.
stick it up. Mom,
Yeah.
this is. Yeah, I'm gonna stick it.
Maglalagay lang ako ng
And then there's the last one.
aluminum foil. Kasi mamaya...
There's the last one.
Oh, you got 3.
Yeah, for that.
That's for dad. Tatlo pala yung
No,
ginawa.
that's not for that. Just that.
One for Kuya TJ, one for Kuya sa...
I didn't have one. No. This was that. No, that's mine. And this was that. This was that.
Okay.
What? This.
Kasi mamaya dito ko ilalagay yung mga vegetables.
This not for Kuya.
Huh?
It's not for Kuya.
It's alright.
Okay.
Wash your hands now. Hurry up. So, etong lamb, hindi nyo na kailangan hugasan kasi malinis na to and dry na
It's
siya.
not big.
Ayan, oh. Malinis na siya, oh. At saka na-dry na
No,
siya,
there's
pero...
more.
Ay,
Ano?
naku. Yeah. You don't have your manners, Holly.
Please.
Tuyo na siya dito, pero dito parang
Yes,
medyo basa-basang konti. So, ipapat dry lang. Yung mga steaks na binibili ko sa butcher, hindi ko rin yun hinugasan. Pinapat dry ko lang kasi malinis na yan. Okay. Malinis na sila.
No, I wanna touch too.
Ha?
I wanna touch. Just a little bit touch.
No, you have to wash your hands. Tapos ibabrush ko lang siya nito. Yung ginawa kong ano,
Is
pang
it
wrap.
Thai fish?
No, that's lamb.
I wanna do it too.
Wait. Okay, hurry up. Mag-ano ko ng... Wait, Baba, careful! Okay, careful, ha? Please. Okay, brush. Okay, you brush it, okay?
Yes.
Okay, I put it here. It's easy for you to brush, okay? Brush it there, please. Kuha tayo ng bawang. Ilagay natin sa palibot. Palibot. Alright?
Is that blood?
It's not blood, Baba. It's not blood. See? It's not blood. Ilalagay ko lang yung bawang dito sa mga gilid. Kasi masarap yung aroma. Para makuha natin yung garlic na, aroma ng garlic. Okay, Baba? You're right? Good job, Baba. It's like you're painting. Slowly. And dito pa, oh.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Here. Good girl. Good job, Baba. Dito pa. Okay, and here. Look. You missed this spot. Okay, can I borrow? I'm just gonna spread all the seasoning here, Baba.
And me too.
Yeah, and then I'll turn this. Wait, Baba, huh?
I'll hold it.
Wait.
Let's get that back.
No, you don't, because Mommy will turn this one, and you will put more.
Is it more blood?
There's no blood, Baba. See, it's clean. Okay,
Mommy.
brush.
You putting that.
Okay, here, brush that one.
It's so good.
You like it? You like cooking?
Yes. It's not cooking. This brush. You like brush?
Oh, brushing, guys. We're not cooking yet. We're brushing. Okay? We're brushing.
When you took like the bath.
So we're not cooking yet. We're brushing.
Yes.
Alright. We're brushing, guys. We're not cooking. We're brushing the lamb. Okay? Good job. Okay, spread it, Baba. You got more there.
And that.
Yes.
It's very blue.
Oh, Papi. Okay, can we help you? I'm just gonna spread this like this.
See
You
that?
do like this, oh. See?
Oh yeah.
Okay, like that.
Come on.
Okay. Here, it's alright. Here. That one. Good job, Papa. And do I need more garlic?
Yeah, we need more garlic. There's not too much. I need there.
Alright. Okay, ma'am. Kailangan daw natin ng more garlic. Gusto niyo lang paansin para masolo niyo yung pagbabrush. Matalino tong batang to eh. Right, Baba?
Can you help me with this?
Huh?
Can you help me with this?
Good job. Okay na?
Not you turn now.
Kailangan ko maglagay ulit ng oil para sa vegetables. Okay?
Your turn.
My turn. It's my turn.
Okay.
Okay, turn na. Because Mommy's...
I can do that.
Okay, you can do that. I'm just gonna...
And I want to need more of that.
Okay. Now, only one, Baba, and then we're done. Okay, that one there. And ilalagay natin siya sa, dito sa,
Is there more? Is there more?
no, this is oven bag.
Is there more?
What more? Meron siyang 4 na piraso. 4 na bags. Bakit ayaw yung mabuksan? Yan pala.
Is
Kaya
there
ko na itong
more?
binibili. Hindi ko...
There's more.
Eto,
Yay!
meron...
There's more.
Oops! And then, meron siyang ito, yung parang itatali, hindi itatali, ilalak mo siya. Yung parang may ganyan siya, oh.
What's that?
Papasok lang siya dyan. Then, hilahin. Okay, we just need one. Large to. Ang kinukuha ko lagi large kasi mas okay na yung large kaysa yung sa small or medium. Para hindi tayo
There's one left.
Oh, that's enough, Baba, because we need that for the vegetable as well. Okay, akin na. Okay, hold this one for Mama.
Okay.
Hold this, hold. Like this, okay? Ready? Wait, i-brush lang natin tong paa.
I'm ready to do that.
Okay, here, Baba, put that one here. So you check, oh, no. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Good job. And then you have to twist. Twist like this. And ilalagay na natin yung kanyang pangsara. Ipasok. Okay, you pull this one, Baba. Okay? Okay, wait. Wait, not that one. Wait. This one. See that? Okay, pull that one. Pull. Good job. More. Okay. Oops, okay na. So, ayan. Tapos. Ilalagay na natin siya sa oven. Naka-preheat na yung oven ng 170 degrees. Okay, Baba. That's enough. It's alright. You have to put it now. And naglagay akong garlic sa palibot para mamaya yan sa ating vegetables. Pero gusto ko na siyang ilagay dyan para umamoy na yung garlic. Oh, yes, Baba. Okay, wait. Okay. 4 hours. Okay, more. 4 hours ko siyang i-roast.
My hands are slippery.
Oh, your hands are slippery. 4 hours. So, ayan si Holly. 4 hours, Baba. Ita-timer natin siyang 4 hours. 2 hours muna. Then, after 2 hours, ilalagay natin yung vegetables. Ay, mamaya ka pa matatapos. Haglit lang. Ito yung bago niyang gulong. Hapon kung makita niyong maigi yung pinakita ko yung gulong, yung parang pudpud na. Yun, ang tama. Pudpud na yung eto. So, kailangan ng palitan. So, lahat, 4. Ayan, dito rin. Sa atin, hindi pinapalitan ang gulong pag hindi talaga puputok. Joke lang. Yung iba lang naman, hindi naman lahat. Ang bango-bango ng bahay pag pumasok. As in, amoy ano.
That's not here.
Ha?
That's not here.
That is outside.
That's not here.
Tapusin natin yung paghihiwa nito. Hindi ko na matapos-tapos.
Uy, Mom!
Buti na lang talaga.
Mom!
Inano na natin yung yung mga damit. Malulobot pala kayo. So, ito lang naman gagawin ko. Only to you play, okay? Are you massaging me? Galing niya mag-massage. What do you call of that massage?
Chop.
Chop.
Chop, chop.
Chop ang tawag niya dyan sa massage.
I do it like this.
Yeah, chop. Oh, sarap. More, Baba. Thank you. Tapos ang bilis. Baba, don't. It's yucky. We have to wash it first.
You have to chop it.
And ano pala guys, hindi ako nakaka-upload ng Bali vlogs. Kasi kinukulang ako sa oras kasi diba, kahapon nanood kami ng sine ni Holly. Tapos, ngayon birthday ni Jan.
I tell you about my mentors.
Think when you get all them out, Bob.
Yung mga laruan. Alam niyo ba kanina, di ba pumunta kami ni Holly sa sa store? Nagsiiyakan yung mga babies. Alam niyo yung mga babies na kinuha ko, di ba? Nagsiiyakan sila. How's the smell of the house on?
Oh, beautiful.
No.
Oh, it is.
What do you smell?
They change it.
No, I don't. Onions daw. I didn't put onions, honey. Honey, I didn't put onions. How come you smell onions?
Well, it smells something. I smell roast.
Yeah, smell roast.
I took you, Mom.
Yan ang
When are you taking all them out?
What? Maybe tonight? I
Well,
need...
I want to wash the car and that.
Now? Well, I'm gonna put all of them
What
on.
time are you going out tomorrow?
Maybe 10.
What time are you home?
11, or maybe 1, 2. Kasi hugasan niya yung nalobat kayo, guys. Si Jan kasi pala, ika-car wash niya yung car. Gusto niya ngayon. Ikaso yung mga... Wait, gusto niya ng carrots, oh. Hugasan ko na to. Okay. What you can say?
Thank you.
Yung car, hugasan ni Jan. Kasi nga, punta kami ng Adelaide ngayong Friday. Kasi sa Saturday, diba? Christmas party namin. And... Hindi ko pa guys na wala pa akong naibabalot na mga regalo kasi nga lagi kaming umaalis din ni Holly, 'di ba? Tapos nag-i-edit din ako pag pagkatapos ng mga gawain sabay paggabi. Pagkatapos na mag-dinner, pagkatapos maghugas. So doon pa ako nag-i-edit. Kaya wala akong Bali vlogs. 2 days na ako.
Mommy, Dad wants some.
Oh, Daddy want? Okay. Gusto rin ni Jan ng carrots. Oh, give it to Daddy. Welcome. Diba? Mahilig sila sa carrots. And, ano ba yung sinasabi ko? So, wala pa ako nababalot ng mga regalo. So, sana makabalot ako ngayong gabi. Si Jan gusto niyang paalisin nga yung mga laman nun sa likod. Kasi lilinisan niya and alis na kami sa Saturday. Ano na ngayon? Wednesday na. So, ilang araw na lang. 2. So, dapat mabalot ko na yung mga regalo. Paano kaya? Kaya yan. Kaya yung Bali vlog siguro pag tingnan ko na lang pag maisipin ko pa siya guys kasi nagpo-focus ako sa sa vlogmas.
And Mom,
Yeah?
is there more towels when you're finished?
Why?
Because
Why you want more? Yeah.
of this,
Parang malalaki yung...
of this, Mom,
Ha?
of this.
Yep. Is it yum yum? Paborito nila ang carrots. Ang mga bata, ayaw nila yung carrots. Yung dalawang boys, ayaw nila yung carrots na niluluto. Mas gusto nilang kinakain. Pero nakakain pa rin sila. Ha?
You're wasting it.
Pero kung papipiliin sila, mas gusto nilang hilaw yung carrots. Ano, Baba?
You're wasting it.
What?
Of that.
Can I buy? How? Promise?
You're wasting it.
What's that?
You're wasting this towels.
Wasting it?
Yeah.
Why I'm wasting it? I have to remove the skin, Baba.
I need it.
Yeah, you don't eat this. That's yeah.
Joey?
You wanna eat? Okay,
No.
Oh.
I'm using my towel.
Sayang daw eh. Sabi ko sige nga. Okay. Malapit na tayo. Ito na lang. So mamaya ipakita ko sa inyo pag linagyan na natin siya ng ito ba yung
Mama.
ilalagay kong
Mama.
seasoning. Thank you. Ang ganda talaga ng frozen guys. Hindi ako makaget over sa frozen. Sana may part 3. Feeling ko may part 3
No,
kasi
not frozen. Lady Joy.
hindi pinakita yung pagpunta ni Anna ay ni Elsa dun sa sa town ni Anna.
Lady Joy. Lady Joy. Where's the Lady Joy?
Let it go. Let it go.
It's in the poison.
Excited na akong maibigay sa kanya yung regalo namin na karaoke sa kanya. For sure may let it go yun, ha? It's alright.